morning, children. I am your physics teacher. Okay, my name is Lakshmi. Today I will tell about the physics lesson sound. What is this lesson? Sound. S-O-U-N-D, sound. Sound is very important in our life. Everybody knows sound. By birth only we are hearing so many sounds. In our daily life also we are hearing so many sounds. That means dogs barking, in vehicles horns, and so many sounds. And ambulance is having different type of sound, and we have different sounds are hearing in daily life. Okay, in daily life. First, we would like to tell about the different types of sounds. What one is different types of sound? First one is voice. Voice is different. Is it correct? Yes, voices are different. Someone is having some different of voices. Man voice different, woman's voice different, children's voice different, and everyone's voice is different. If your mom is calling you, you then immediately can identify because you know your mom's voice. Your brother is calling you, you can clearly hear, clearly understand your brother is calling. It means we have different type of voice. And similarly, birds and animals also having different type of sounds. Is it correct? In different type of birds will produce different type of sounds, and like animals also. Dog is barking. Similarly, cat will say that meow meow. That is different sound. Like that, different animals. Cow sound is different, and buffalo sound is different. Similarly, sheep and different type of animals. Lion, tiger. Different animals will produce different type of sounds. Birds and animals, and also the next one is music. Music is also one of the sound. Music is very pleasant. Why? Because it is a well organized sound. That means well organized means it is composed. So whenever we are hearing the music, some songs, interesting songs, we are feeling very happy. Why? Because the music is very happy to listen. It is very composed. Means very composed. Next one is noise. Noise means it is uncomposed. It will give hurting your ears. Some big stones breaking, and in traffic, so many vehicles like the car, bus, train, and car, bus, and scooters. So they are giving horns in different sound. Will produce sound pollution. That is nothing but noise. It is uncomposed. It will give our ear is hurt. Okay, we will get different type of sounds. What are they? Voice, birds and animals, music, and noise. Next, what is it? Second one is importance of sound. What is the importance of sound? Importance of sound, nothing but sound is very important in our life. Is it correct? Yes, sound is very important in our life. If we are hearing properly, then we will understand everything properly. without hearing we cannot understand properly. Because if that for suppose ambulance having different type of sound, if you are going into that in traffic like that in road, some ambulance sound is coming, then everyone is moving and give some space to the ambulance. Why? Because it will produce different type of sound. And one more importance is communication. We communicate with other, definitely we will need sound. That means whenever we are speaking, the sound will come, then immediately the other person will react and then they will give response. So in communication, sound is also very, very important. Another example, in our school, whenever the class is over, like the physics, math, Sanskrit, Telugu, like that, whenever one class is done, then immediately the bell is ringing. The bell is ringing, then immediately the class is over. Then we will move to the another class. That's like that. Sound is very, very important in our life. Why? Because we are having 2 ears. Right? That 2 ears are very, very important in our life. We will have only 1 ear. For example, we will close that right side here. We will listen only to the left side here. Somebody is calling in your right side. We will hear into this side. That means left side. Then immediately turn into the left. Is it correct? No. Somebody is calling in right, but you are turned into the left. Why? Because your right ear is not working properly. So in our life, sound is very, very important, and ears are also very, very important, and we will hear very carefully and very we will hear very carefully and response will come into the ears. So for our communication purpose and protection means how will we protect sound is one of the example. If in factory something is happened, then immediately siren is ringing. Then everybody understand, oh, something is happening in our factory. Then everybody is alerted. So sound will also protect ours and communicate, protect and save, etc. So that's why sound is very, very important in our life. Without sound, we cannot do anything. Next, third one is problem of sound. Third one is problem of sound. And before that we know that different type of sounds is there, and sound is very, very important in life. Then why will you say that problem of sound? Yes. In sound we will get some problems also. What are the problems? And big noise, that is unpleasant noise. Some big stones are breaking, we will get very big noise. That means uncomposed different type of sounds it came, and it hurt your ears. And also in traffic, so many vehicles are horning, it will also hurt your ears. That is also one of the sound pollution. It will hurt you. For suppose one example, you will preparing your examination in one room, and besides another room, one person is hitting one nail into the wall. You will get big sounds. Then immediately what will happen? You are not concentrating in your subject. Why? Because the sound will disturbing you. Yes, that's why sometimes the sound will also be problem in nature. So sometimes it will also be problem. about that. How is sound produced? Let us discuss about how is sound produced. How is sound produced? Okay. What is sound? Sound is nothing but it produced a vibrating. Vibrating means it moving an object. It means vibrations will be done. Then the sound will come. For suppose one example, in your home we have bell. Okay? In your somebody is switch on the bell on outside, then immediately your bell is ringing. That means vibrating. Vibrating, then some sound will come. Then immediately we know that somebody is coming outside there. So then it will be vibrating. Then only the sound will come. So let us take different type of glasses. This is another example. Okay, different type of glasses. It means glasses and different. You can fill different water. You will say here this much, here this much, and here this much, and here this much, and here this much. Okay, we'll take some 5 glasses here. We'll pour some water like this, little bit more and more. Then we will take 1 spoon, hit the glasses one by one. Hit the glasses one by one. It will give different type of sound. It will give different type of sound. That means vibration will be done. Vibration will be done. That means moving the object. Then without hitting we cannot hear anything. Without hitting the glass with spoon we cannot hear anything. Because vibration will be done, then moving the object, then only we can hear the sound. Okay? I'll tell you one more example. In water is there, in pond, we will put some the stone into that, then we'll get some type of waves in that water. That means that is the one of the vibration. Sound. That means sound will travel from one place to another place. This is the one of the sound producing object, and we will hear here. It will move from one place to another place. So somebody is calling you, you can hear. That means the sound is moving from one place to another place. For suppose one example, one pot is there. This is the mud pot. Inside we have inside it we have air. If you hit in the pot, we will get some noise. That means we will get some sound. It will also produce some sound. Without hitting, we cannot hear anything. If you are hitting, we will get some sound. So similarly, we have different of sound producing object like flute. Somebody is using flute, then we will get different type of sound. That like that we will have different type of producing sounds. Next one is sound produced by humans. Sound produced by humans. How can sound produced by humans? ఎలా ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేస్తారు సౌండ్? హ్యూమన్స్ ఎలా ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేస్తారు? వాయిస్, విత్ వాయిస్ ఓన్లీ. We will have one voice box. We have one voice box. In that voice box, we will have vocal cord. What is that? Vocal cord. Whenever that voice box, we have here some vocal cord. By the lungs, whenever the air is going inside, whenever the lungs producing the air outside, then the voice box and the vocal cord is open and close. Open and close means we will talk, then it will be open. Without talking, it will be closed. That means that is the vocal cord. In that vocal cord only the voice will come. How will human produce the voice? With the vocal cord. Vocal cord. See? Okay? Understand? Understand the children? Next. Next, we will know that sound. Sound will move from one place to another place. Then, how will move from one place to another place? Is there any medium is needed? Sound need a medium. Sound need a medium. Sound is need a medium. Is it correct or not? Yes. Sound is need a medium. Okay. In the what type of medium it will need? First, let us discuss about air. First one is air. Air is the one of the medium of the sound. So, how I will explain. For suppose, for example, you will take one big glass tumbler and put your phone in that. Some playing music. Okay, switch on the phone and some playing music, and put it into the glass tumbler and tightly covered with the rubber balloon and tightly covered, and in the top of we will add some sand inside. Cell phone is there, it is giving some music. By air it will, by the sand will move like this, because air producing sound. That means air is the medium of traveling to the sound. Okay, one more example. You can take one glass tumbler, put your phone in that glass tumbler and tell to your friend, call some another phone. Then your phone is ringing, then we can hear. Why? Because in this glass tumbler is also air is there. Air is a medium to transfer the sound. Okay? Air is the one of the medium of to transfer the sound. Whenever I am talking, the air is one of the medium to transfer the sound. Next, what one is air. Next, liquid. Liquid is also one of the medium of the sound. Is it correct? Okay, I will tell one example. We will take one big bucket or any big vessel. Okay, pour it into the water, and here we will put some bell, that pulls the bell, and rang the bell inside the water, and you will observe here sound is coming or not. Yes, sound will come. If you are in far, you can't hear, but if you are in near, if you ring the bell into the water, you can clearly hear the sound. But it will not get that much of sound, because it is in the water, so it will produce less sound, but we will hear because of we will near the vessel. So liquid is also one of the medium of sound. Liquid is also one of the medium of sound. Next, air is also one of the medium of sound, and liquid is also one of the medium of sound. Next one is solid. Is the solid is one of the medium of sound? Yes, solid is one of the medium of sound. Is it correct? Okay, I will tell one more example, then we can clearly understand. Okay, your is here. Okay, your friend is here. Okay, in between, solids means, do you know solids? Wooden and steel, iron, like that only we can say that are solids. So in between we have one wooden scale and wooden scale. If one side your friend is scratching this one side, your friend is scratching that wooden scale, here we can hear in this side. How we can hear? The solid also travel and move the sound. That means vibration will come from this side to this side. It means solids also travel the sound from one place to another place. That means solid is also one of the medium of sound. In solids also we can hear some sound. For suppose in our apartment or any place, steps is there. We have steel rod for obtaining the purpose. We have steel rod. One in above the steps, your friend is there, and down you will be here. Your friend in up that chair, he is clutching that steel rod. You will then hear in downside. Why? Because that steel rod also producing the sound from top to bottom. That means that place to this place. That means solids also travel the sounds. That means solid also one of the medium of the sound. Solid also one of the medium of the sound. Okay? You know that air is one of the medium of the sound. Liquid is also one of the medium of the sound, and solid also one of the medium of sound. I will tell one more example. Okay, see here. This is solid, and this is liquid, and this is gas. Okay, in the solid the molecules are very near. That means very tightly they are combining. That means solids are, that means the molecules are very near. Let for suppose example, some 15 members are in a tiny small group. Okay, I will whisper, that means secret, something telling to the one person, then immediately they knows the other person. Why? Because they are in very near, that means they are very close. So then when I am telling to the one person, then another person also hearing that secret, that means whisper. Then easily it travel from one to another. So in solid it is very near the molecules. In liquid like that only 7 members are there in a very group. They are sitting like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. If I am telling to some whisper that secret into the one person, then the second person does not know what I am telling, because of some distance is there. Like that, in liquid it will produce less sound. That means not that much of sound. It will take some amount of time to producing sound. numbers are there, some place, and some place. So here, if I am getting some whisper, only one number only knows, because of somebody is in only 3 members. They are so far. So that's why it will produce sound is very less. That means it will taking too much of time. That means more amount of time to transferring the sound. Okay. Now I will discuss about the we hear sound through our ears. Is it correct? We can hear the sound through our ears. So in here, this is the outer side of the ear. Okay, this is the outer side of the ear. This is nothing but inner side. This is a ear canal. Then after ear canal, we have eardrum. These are bones. These 3 are bones. Next, this is one of the liquid, and it will goes nuts. Then it will goes to the brain. Okay. How I will explain. We hear sound through our ears. This is the outside of the ear. I will explain the inside of the ear. It is ear canal. Whenever we are hearing the sound, it will move from the ear canal. Then here is one of the eardrum is there. Eardrum is very delicate and very sensitive. Okay. Then beside the eardrum we have 3 bones. These bones are very small bones. In our entire body we have only 3 bones. In those bones are there in only ear. Okay. After these bones, then the sound will travel into the some liquid and it will move to the nerves. Nerves are immediately moving the sound to the brain. Whenever some sound is coming, then it will go to the outside of the ear. It will move from the ear canal, eardrum, bones, and the liquid and the nerves, then move to the brain. It will done within the fraction of seconds. It will done into the fraction of second. Then that's why whenever you are hearing the sound, then we will get that immediate response to the brain. This is the internal process of our ear. Next, what is nothing but oscillation. What is nothing but oscillation? Oscillation means, let us take one simple pendulum. Just we will hit that one. It will move. It will do some oscillations like that. Okay. If we stretch and remove it, then it will move and it will give some oscillations. Okay. It will move and it will give some oscillations. Is nothing but oscillation. Okay. Next, what is frequency? Frequency is nothing but how many oscillations will be done in for 1 second is nothing but frequency. Frequency is nothing but how many oscillations will be done within 1 second is nothing but frequency. Frequency will be denoted by the hertz, H-E-R-T-Z, and simply we can call it as Hz. Simply we can call it as Hz. Okay. For suppose 1 Hz equal to 1 oscillation means it will get only the 1 second, only one oscillation will be done. What is the frequency? Frequency is nothing but how many oscillations will be done per a second is nothing but oscillation. 1 Hz means one oscillation will be done into the 1 Hz. So now we are hearing what is Hz. In frequency we can define into the Hz. In human we can hear only 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. That means below 20 we cannot hear, and above 20,000 is also we cannot hear. Human can hear only the range between 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Okay, I will explain today's class. I will explain what is that sound, different types of sound, and what is the importance of sound, what is the problems of sound, and how to produce the sound in different objects, and how to produce the sound in human, and also the internal ear, how to work and how to hear the sound, and also oscillation and frequency. Thank you, children.